my goodness! Birds! Bird. Oh my goodness! Oh my god! Sorry. Okay, bye. Okay, go to the next house that you wanted to go. Birds.
Look, over there.
What? Oh my goodness! I've never seen this in my life.
Alright, I'm gonna go
Goodness, birds. Oh my goodness! Go! Oh! Bird paradise. Woo! They're all birds. Eating birds. Oh, there's a lot of birds there. Huh?
Bird? Oh no.
Hold on, guys. Sorry, let's just... Oh my goodness. You slapped that window. Bobby, look. Bird paradise.
Oh.
Bird paradise. Maybe a mother and dad, mother bird and father dad, and mother bird and father bird maybe bought birth all of these children and then go, oh my goodness, why is this bird paradise? This is bird paradise. Bird. Whoa. Bird paradise. This is bird. My goodness, birds are all over. Everyone is outside the road and they're slowing down because of the birds.
And they're taking pictures.
Yeah, they're taking pictures. They need to slow down because they're taking pictures of birds. We never seen this.
Oh my god.
And guys, feel my challenge.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Whoa. Hey, move away. I want to play with these birds, but they keep running away because they're scared. Whoa, my birds who are flowing away. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Bird paradise. Wait, there's a lot of food in that other side, and our neighbors.
No.
Ah! Whoa, that was a crazy knock.
The guy, we do it here.